Witness to the impossible as a man attempts to use transfer grease without gloves. Oh yeah, you see those beads? Those are the beads of a structural welder. And now that I'm watching, we're getting different results. He's trying not. The lab's got to be serious so he can make it straight when he smears it. It's gotta look good when I splat it. Turn it into putty. Oh, you may have enough on there. That might be a healthy dose. But I mean, you know, you've done this before. You don't need gloves, right? Oh yeah, that's gonna go great. No, unpause it.
Alright. Ready?
Ready. Holy bejeebus.
Center ain't good.
Man, I tell you what. Ooh. Giving it the splooge effect. Ooh.
Worked perfect, huh?
That was
You
beautiful.
don't gotta slide it on from the end like a barrel. You can go over it.
Yeah, that was way better than what I attempted. And that's how that's done.
Yeah, it's super tight. It ain't moving. It basically glued itself into place now.